And the storm is causing a nightmare for travel on the roads and in the skies.
Oh, absolutely. Nearly 1,000 flights into or out of Boston canceled so far today. Ed Freni joining us now. He's the director of aviation for Massport. Ed, thanks for joining us. What are the conditions out at the airport?
Good morning, Chris. Good morning, Paula. As you can imagine, tons of snow out there, and our crews are out plowing, keeping one runway open with the associated taxiways. The good news is we have no demand. The airlines have canceled their schedule, as you announced, and they will probably bring a slightly small schedule back together Tuesday morning as we ramp up to try to bring a full schedule by Wednesday. Our crews will remain on the field. They have been since the storm started. Continue to plow. We want to get, their goal will be to get 2 runways open for Tuesday's activity.
Wow. So you expect a slow ramp up again flying beginning tomorrow morning?
Correct. It's going to be slow, Paula, as you said. The airlines it's going to take time because it's impacted the New York area, some big hubs throughout the country, so on the Northeast especially. So it will take time for the airlines to get their schedules back together. However, the international airlines will operate full schedule Tuesday afternoon and evening outbounds. So we need to be prepared for that type of activity.
Yeah, somebody who flew into Logan yesterday afternoon, it was bedlam, it was packed, and I'm sure it's just a ghost town today. All right, Ed Freni from Massport, we appreciate your time. Thanks.